David Lebowski never imagined he'd be grieving the loss of his 5-year-old son Asher so soon.
But Dad, I love you so much. I don't think he knew how sick he was.
Asher was healthy just 45 hours before. His dad describes him as a happy little boy. His death this past October was sudden and unexpected. Just 2 days before, Asher went to SDA clinic to receive a full school physical.
But kids don't die in the hospital in 22 hours or 48 hours after having a full physical.
Then he was rushed to the Guam Memorial Hospital, where his condition took a turn for the worse. Though Asher was not admitted to the ICU, he spent the night breathing through a respiratory mask. David says medical staff and doctors didn't tell him his son was in critical condition. That next morning, Asher's heart stopped beating.
I'm left not only with my son being gone. I don't know what happened to him. I have no idea.
Asher's death certificate reads he died of a, quote, generalized viral infection, but no culture of his cells were done at GMH to determine the virus. David says the chief medical examiner, Dr. Espinola, did perform an autopsy and wondered why the cells weren't cultured. Espinola also told the distraught father he has not examined the likes of this virus.
He said, as a medical examiner, he's never seen a virus like that before. And I said, what do you mean? He said, it attacked, my understanding of him, he said it was aggressive, it attacked every part of his body. It wasn't just in his lungs. It was everywhere, he said.
But what worries him most is that the incident report has yet to be filed. He wonders if this could be a public health concern.
How can a child die, 5 years old, that's full healthy, cleared on Monday by one doctor, he has all his immunizations, has nothing wrong with him, totally healthy, die in 48 hours, and no one cares? I said, what disease did he have? Was it communicable? Could other people in Guam catch it? Can other people, is it something that we have to be worried about on the island? Does public health know this? Does public health, CDC, communicable disease, did you report this? Did anyone tell them? How do we know that other children or adults are not susceptible to getting it? Well, we don't know. I don't want some other child to die the same way.
He also raised concern with GMH officials who he claims denied him access to his child's medical records, claiming HIPAA requires 50 years to pass before releasing those records, though he argued that time frame doesn't apply to children under parental care. Overall, wishing more was done to save his son.
Not only am I grieving the loss of my son, and I'm seriously devastated. I can't begin to tell you. These people need to do their jobs.
GMH officials tell KUAM they are unable to disclose the case of Asher Lebowski, claiming, quote, federal HIPAA laws prohibit access to this information. The father's still just begging for answers. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Carmen Victoria Terlaki.